Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how industrial 3D printers work.
Set it down right there, next to the carbon fiber. Watch the overhang.
The morphology looks good under the scope, and the data on the tablet confirms the purity level. We are clear for batch release.
In industrial 3D printing, material balance determines strength, flexibility, and durability.
Look at the temperature spike on Sector 4.
Rerouting coolant now. Check the particle count.
Layer by layer, digital designs become physical reality.
We never compromise on dimensional accuracy.
Only structurally perfect parts move forward.
The stress levels are peaking right here.
I see it. Adjusting the frequency now. It's stabilizing.
Scanning shipment WH 2024-01 now.
Yeah. Received. Logging it into the system.
Correct. Confirmed.
System updated. Ready for the next scan.
Scanning next box. And that's how 3D printers work in industry, transforming digital designs into real-world innovation.